Hello and welcome back. In part 2 of the Ubuntu server installation, we're going to install the desktop feature or the desktop environment. We have now this machine running updated, upgraded, and I need to access the GUI or the desktop environment. So a lot of people are not familiar with the command line. To get that feature, we just need to run this command. So sudo apt-get, and then we say install Ubuntu desktop, desktop. When you run that command, it might take some space from your disk, so just plan about 2-3, something like that. So here it will download all those features. So we're going to continue. Happy with that? So say yes. Okay, so installation of utilities for the desktop environment has now completed. And if you want to go to the GUI now, you can run the command start X, and then that will get you to the GUI version of it. And then you need to complete the settings, the basic settings of the GUI, and from there you have a complete desktop environment for your Ubuntu server. So we will give a short wait, and then the GUI page will appear. So I'll pause the recording and then start again. So now we have the GUI or the desktop environment installed on our server. And if you click here, then you can see you have Firefox, for example, and then wait. I'll provide you other settings to do some changes you can do here. But let's say you want to visit google.com, and you can search something. Let's say Ubuntu server download, and that's the page I downloaded from. If I manage, don't want to accept anything. So here, that's the latest version we downloaded and installed. And now you have the GUI version of your server. So there are some settings you can change the GUI look, and a lot of stuff you can prepare. But these two parts of the video was just to show you how to download, install Ubuntu server, and then add the desktop environment on it. And later we will try to give you other videos that show you how to install features, how to install utilities for different uses in our lab. Thank you for your time and see you in another video.